Hey everyone, this is Adam here from eosDublin. We've got another special NFT giveaway.
Thanks, Adam. This week's Blockchain Quickie will be on how to add a token to the Wax Cloud wallet. Go to Account Settings and Cloud Wallet, then scroll down to Custom Tokens, and you'll click on Add. This will be where we add our new token for Dust. So add your token symbol and then 4 decimal places, and your smart contract is going to be called NiftyWizards. So then click Save, and then it will populate into your wallet with your other tokens. Then double check on Wax.Blocks.io to make sure that that translated, and there you go. Easy peasy.
Magical.
Back to you, Adam.
So congratulations guys, stay tuned next week for another NFT giveaway. Check out down below for the description of how to get involved. Wax on everybody.